Here we go. How's it going, everybody? One more time right here, the Acura man. In another video, this video, we are going to talk about the oil catch can installation on this particular car. My car is in a Honda Accord 2005 7th generation. Sorry for that. So yeah, right here, the catch can is already installed right here. If you have your battery on the back, there's a lot of people doing that. So you're gonna have all this space. You're gonna put it whatever you want. In my case, I got my battery on the front. Why? So let me explain you something about why I have got my battery. Even is more comfort when you take out the engine, when you do a lot of stuff right here. So I keep my battery to the front to put a little weight on the wheels. Because when you have this type of swap like J37s, J35, they used to spin a lot. So that's why I keep my battery on the fronts. Just put a little bit more heavy on the front, and try to don't spin a lot. I'm not saying this is gonna make a lot of difference. That's my thought. You do whatever you want in your build. So we're gonna keep talking about the oil catch can. It's a few things I wanna call you guys. So interesting thing. So yeah, I buy the eBay one. I see a lot of good reviews. Just only a catch can. What he do? He takes the oil drop, the PC valve, throw it to here. Yeah, you can send another line to here, but in my case, I buy this essential piece. This is a Pcv Valve Delete, selling by these people, K Motor. I found it in eBay. My friend Sean Martinez from S&P Performance Florida, he told me this secret. This valve fits all second generation JSERIES and all K motors with this 6AN fitting. So this guy is going right here on the PC valve. This guy is gonna delete the PC valve, and all the oil taken out is going to the catch can. So I put it right there. I take out the plastic. There's a hole right there. I put it right there with a screw, and I'm just gonna block this because I got this. This will be deleted PC valve, so I don't need this part. And these two guys right here, I'm gonna block them too. So all the oil will be only here, and we take out the oil from the intake manifold. Why we want to do that? Because when you're going in high revs, a small quantity of oil is going to the intake manifold and is going inside the pistons. So what caused that? What is the issue with that? It's gonna make detonations. It's gonna make knocking. It's gonna make your car, have maybe some issues with the tuning. So we don't want that. So we want to delete all the oil going to the intake manifold. So I want to call this. So yeah, this guy is going right here, deleting the PC valve, throwing this line over here. If you guys see, I make a hole right there on the plastic. I make another one, but with the battery, it don't fit. So yeah, right here, just make sure, use a zip tie right here, because remember, the hose is really close to the PCD, and you don't want to get burned. So yeah, and that's it. That would be it. And something really easy, and it will help you a lot, your engine. Don't take any oil to the pistons. So yes, I'm gonna post the link for this part, the fitting 6AN. So you can, sorry, it's right there. So, you just unscrew it, and that's it. Let me, like this. See? This is a 6 a.m. fitting. And this guy right here. It's about $50 for both things. It will help you a lot. Yeah, these guys, oh shoot. This guy is going right there. The 6 a.m. fitting goes right here. And that's it. One more time right here. Pcv Valve Delete, JSERIES, and oil catch can installation. Right here. Thank you for watching one more time. God bless you all.